Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Reading Unlocked. In this series, we explore various techniques and strategies that help us read with confidence and full comprehension. With the tagline Read Smarter, Think Sharper, Understand Deeper, in each episode you will be guided through one reading skill step by step. We'll try to keep each episode simple, casual, and interactive with some examples and short practice together. So get involved, practice along, and let's dive in. In this particular episode, we are going to discuss about a technique called skimming. Skimming is a fast reading skill that helps you catch the big picture quickly from a text. Have you ever had a lot to read before a test and wish you could find the main point fast because you have very strict time? Skimming helps you decide which part needs careful reading. By the end of this episode, you will know what skimming is, when to use it, and how to practice with short B1 level text. Skimming means moving your eyes quickly over a text to get the general ideas. To skim a text, focus on titles, headings, the first sentence of each paragraph, and the keywords. In skimming, you do not need to read every word. Skimming helps you catch the main idea of a text without reading every word. Its purpose is to save time and decide if the text is useful. Use skimming when previewing chapters, choosing articles, or preparing for exams. Remember, skimming is about speed and overview, not about details. Let me give you an example. Read this paragraph quickly and try to get the general idea. You may pause at this point. If you answered, the market opens in the morning and is busy for a short time, then you did it right. This is the general idea, while the other sentences only give details. For example, what people buy, busy hours, shops, and musicians. Now, let's have more practice. Try this one quickly. Read the text and say the general idea out loud. You may pause this video for 10 seconds. So, what is your answer? If you answered Lina studies at the library and prepares for exams there, you did it right. The other sentences are only supporting details. As a conclusion, skimming saves time and helps you find which part needs deeper reading. Use it before exams or when you have many pages to check while you have very short time. Nice work, everyone. Practice skimming with short text every day. Surely it will help you increase your reading competence. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm Deddy Kurniawan. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.